must a man walk down before they call him a man? How many seas must a white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? How many times must the cannon